Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which I have written right here, which will actually swap the faces inside the images. So we will take a very simple example. In a single image you can see there are two persons out there. This is a first person, this is a second person. So what I will do, I will swap the faces here with when I run this Python script. This face will be this and this will be this. So we actually are taking this image for example. So let me provide this image, and once I run the script here, so now to run the script here we just need to open the integrated terminal. So let me just open the command line here and simply type python app.py. So what it will do, it will actually take this input image and it will swap both the faces inside this image. It will take some time here, 5 to 6 seconds, and you will see it will create a brand new image file where the faces will be swapped. And for this we are using an open source Python package. You can see inside this, you can see the faces have been successfully swapped, and it has created a brand new file here, swapped. So this was the original image, you will see, and this is actually the swapped image. So we can take another example here. Let's suppose I take this image. Again, there are two faces out there. You can try this with any image. Let's suppose I do this for this image. Once again, I repeat the process. I run this simple script. So once again, it will take 5 to 10 seconds, and then it will swap the faces and save it as a new image. So recently I found out this open source Python library which does this process. You can see the faces have been swapped. So it's a cool little script, guys. I will show you. The full script is given in the description of this video, and if you go to this website here, Python packages, just search for this package which is TinyFace. This is actually the package, the face swapping tool library. The command is simple. You actually install this package first of all. After installing it, just create a simple app.py file. Let me just show you how to do this. And also we also need the OpenCV package as well. So simply install this package as well. Pip install opencv-python. So these are the two packages which are needed for this application. And now just create a simple app.py file. After that we require the necessary packages, OpenCV and this TinyFace package. We import this face pair and TinyFace. After that we will load the input image. So we basically provide the path here. So input CV contains this function image read, and we will pass this file which is present in the same directory, and then we initialize it TinyFace using this constructor, and then we will simply call this function tinyface.prepare. So it will load the necessary models which are needed for the face swiping, and now we will detect how many faces are there inside the image. So for this we will call this function get many faces and provide the path here to this input image. After that we will calculate how many faces are there inside this image. So inside this if condition, if the number of faces is greater than 0, is less than 2, then we will simply say that not enough faces found. So a image should at least have 2 faces so that the image swapping can work. So here we are simply comparing it. If the faces are less than 2, then we can print this message, or else if the faces are there, then we will swap them. So face pairs, the empty array, and then we will simply say face pairs, and we will append this, and for this we will use this face pair, and for this we will pass the reference here, which will be the first face is 0, and destination, so where you need to swap them, so destination will be the other face. So we are simply doing the face swapping here by calling this function face pair. We are reference, this is a destination. Again we need to repeat this process, faces pairs again call, and then again here we need to say faces 1, and destination here is faces 0. So this will actually do the face swapping for you. After performing, now we need to perform the face swap. So this output image will be equal to TinyFace. This is actually the module. It contains this function swap faces, if you see, and here we will provide the input image and then the face pairs that we got. So like this, and then we just need to show the actual output image in the window. So for that we can use OpenCV. So this will show the output image to us. It will create a new file and then show it. So this is the overall script here, and if I try to run this, you will actually see it will now actually read this input file, detect the number of faces, and then swap it. So all the script, guys, is given in the description of this video. So if you want the full script, the link is given in the description. So just make sure you replace the correct path here, 1.png. So it will load this. It will take around 5 to 10 seconds for the face swapping process to complete. So just wait, and then after it completes, it will show the image to you in the window. You can see that with this help of this library, the most important thing is that it's completely free to use, and with this you can make a face swapping application as well, web application, using this package of Python. So this is a package. I showed you the full script. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.